How to fix MX Player video not working problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix MX Player videos not working or any kind of issue you are facing in MX Player not opening or MX Player not working. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get more informative videos every day. So guys, first of all, what you need to do here, make sure that you updated your MX Player application here. So you can see here they are asking for an update, so you just need to update your application here. So after updating your application, you can just try it out, it will work for you. So guys, even if it is not working, what you need to do, make sure that your internet connection is well okay and in a good condition. So the third thing what you can do here is you have to go to your phone settings, whether it is on iOS or Android. So you have to go to your phone settings, and then here you have to scroll down and you have to go to app management or app manager or install apps. Now here you will find the apps that has been installed on your phone from before. So here what you need to do, you have to simply search for MX Player. So this is the one. So now what you need to do, you can see here force stop button, simply click on this force stop button and then you have to stop the first of this application. Now the second thing what you can do, you can see here storage usage, simply click on this storage usage and then you can see here clear data, simply click on this clear data option and then you have to clear the data as well as the cache. So after doing this, you have to scroll up and here you can see permission, so you have to allow all the permission here. So after doing this, you can go and check it out whether it works or not. But if it is not working, then no need to worry, I'm gonna show you the next tricks. You have to go back to your settings and you can go to software updates. So after going to software update, you have to check whether your phone is asking for any update or not. If it is asking for any update, you have to update your system and restart your phone and reopen the application, it will work for you. So guys, and the last additional things that I'm gonna share with you is what you have to do, you have to uninstall this application and then reinstall it and then try it. It will absolutely help for you. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please give up one thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.